Everyone knows Jamaica's national dish is ackee and saltfish, but did you know ackee can actually be dangerous if you don't understand it?
You're serious?
Ackee came to Jamaica from West Africa in the 1700s during the slave trade. But here's what most people don't know. If you pick ackee before it naturally opens, it contains a toxin called hypoglycin A, which can make you seriously sick. That's why old-time Jamaicans always say, wait till the ackee smile. When the pod opens on its own, that's nature's way of saying it's ready. Once cleaned and boiled properly, ackee becomes one of the healthiest parts of our diet, high in protein, healthy fats, and energy. No wonder we mix it with saltfish and call it national pride. Ackee and saltfish is more than breakfast. It's a story of survival and strength. What started as food for the enslaved became a symbol of freedom and identity. Always make sure ackee opens naturally before cooking. Safety first. And if you love learning the real stories behind Jamaican culture, follow Alpha and Facts and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alpha Facts. The next video will open your eyes just like the ackee pod.